Thutha wa minista wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu kurekereria mitaratara iria ikuhuthika undu umwe na mathukuru maria arutwo a kirathi gia form 1 magukorwo makiingira, riu arutwo aingi ni mambiririe mihango ya gwetha mathukuru.
Kabianga High School, which has a capacity of 768, attracted 153,078. Yeah, you can see we have only 768, and this time we have said no one will be able to go beyond the capacity as given by the ministry. This was the total number of applicants.
Riu gukirite kimishini mingi Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru thutha wa arutwo aingi kwaga marihi ma kuriha thukuru, indi riu kiroto kiao gikihana ta kiahora. Undu uyu umanite na wagi wa mawira kuri aciari, thina uria ukoragwo gumiige micii mingi, undu umwe na ng'aragu iria ihiriirie guku bururi-ini. Ukite thutha wa arutwo 248 kwiyandikithia thiini wa mubango wa bengi ya Equity wa guteithia arutwo aria ogi na aria matehotete ya Wings to Fly, kuonana arutwo 8 no marakorirwo magiteithika na mubango uyu.
Out of the applications we received in the branch, there were actually 244. We were only selecting 8. We were able to award to 4 boys and 4 girls that are coming from Naivasha sub-county.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mubango uyu, munini wa director wa githomo wa gicigo bunge kia Naivasha Nancy Mutai augite kuri na hahu nene ya arutwo aingi kwaga kuingira thukuru-ini wa Mathekondari.
This training was quite intense, because we had to make sure that the board members are equal to the task and they know the do's and the don'ts of this program. So the criteria specifically entail the following. First, the students had to meet the threshold of attaining 350 marks in their KCPE. And then, of course, they had to be from very needy background, deserving but very, very needy.
Oho ni oritie honge ingi cia thirikari undu umwe na iria itari cia githirikari inyitane hamwe na niguo guteithia arutwo aria matehotete na niguo makorwo makiamukira githomo ta arutwo aria angi. Augite arutwo aingi aria mareyandikithitie mubango-ini uyu wa Wings to Fly matingiteithika kumana na mitaratara na matanya maria bengi ya Equity yagathikite, indi ni mabatie gukorwo magikuruhanio thiini wa mubango uyu.
We shortlisted the applicants. This was also quite intense because in total we received about 244 applications, and out of these only 8 were to qualify.
Murugamiriri munene wa bengi ya Equity ruhonge-ini rwa Naivasha Evans Miranga augite mararoraga arutwo aria maumite micii itehotete na aria marahitukite kigeranio-ini gia gibururi gia KCPE.
I would want to say that this program targets the needy but bright in the society. We were looking at students who scored above 350 marks, but they are also coming from humble backgrounds. Maybe they are orphans, or they are vulnerable because of maybe their parents are suffering from chronic illness and other serious issues within our society.
Oho augite mubango uyu ni gukorwo giteithia hari marihi mothe marutwo thiini wa thukuru wa Mathekondari itiganite.
So this is a call we are making to the community. Let us join hands and support these kids to be able to realize their future dreams.
Aria mateithikite na mubango uyu ni Brandon Omondi kuma thukuru wa muthingi wa Mavukoni na uria uregwatiga marks 366, akiuga tiga ni mubango uyu ndangire na mwihoko wa kuingira thiini wa thekondari kumana na family yake uria yitarie.
Nilipata marks 366 KCPE na leo niko happy kwa sababu naenda kuendelea na studies zangu secondary. Naenda Sagongo Boys High School iko Nyanza, na nashukuru Equity kwa kunisupport juu atakuwa na hopes kwetu kan ningeenda secondary school, but yote nashukuru Mungu.
Handu-ini ha ceceni ya Wega TV njitagwo Jackson Mwaniki.